order. This is tabulated correctly and signed by our board of adjudicators. And this is irrevocable. Good luck, ladies. First up is candidate number 3. You made it, candidate number 4. You also made it, candidate number 11. Candidate number 17. Candidate number 16. Candidate number 15. 2 more spots, ladies and gentlemen. Who's your bet? What number? Number 12. And our last lady who will move on to our next round is candidate number 14. Congratulations. Once again, how about a big hand to our top 8? Thank you very much, ladies. Let's now have our next round, which is the head-to-head